Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I feel like the lighting is terrible, but it's a very, very grey day. Do you see what I mean? Best natural light. So, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a little updated makeup routine with you guys. So we're going to start with some skincare. I've been using this one a little bit. You know, I absolutely love vitamin C in all of my skincare. So yeah, this is what I have been using recently. I have also just run out of my Hula Henriksen one as well. So yeah, this is kind of ones that I switch between. Quite oily, but I feel like it works really well with the makeup look that I'm about to show you guys. Yeah, look, sad times. But yeah, as you can see straight away, it just gives you this stunning glow, and it does, like my skin just drinks it. Okay, also you guys are gonna think that I'm nuts, but I basically am a sucker for ads. TikTok ads especially, and actually only if you target me on TikTok with an ad, oh, I'm probably gonna buy it. So, introducing a TikTok purchase. It is called Plump It, and let me tell you, does it plump it? So for your lips, it's a little bit painful. First time I use it, it is actually like bloody hell. I mean, as you guys know, I don't get anything done. I wouldn't get like filler or Botox, whatever they put in your lips. And I feel like this gives your lips such a gorgeous plump, and it does actually last. So I'm putting it on at the start of my makeup, just so that then when I'm finished, it can, like, I can show you guys the, you know, full effect. I just gave my eyebrows a really quick pluck because I realised I have a huge monobrow. I mean, just already, I feel like they've already gone pinker, so it's difficult to tell in terms of, look at them. So now I'm gonna use this one, which is a primer, and then I just put that one everywhere. I also got this primer and that oil like mix really well together for like the perfect balance and base, which was a happy accident really. So then I'm gonna get MAC Face and Body in C6 and in C3. Obviously, as you can probably tell, I'm a little bit pasty, so I'm probably just gonna stick with the C3 and then use like a bronze, although that is definitely making me look, I don't look quite as pasty here. But yeah, so basically go here, here, middle, and then I'm gonna use it at the C6, just like on the corners here. This is what we're looking like. I'm gonna get this, which is an absolute staple in every single makeup look that I do now, and just give it a quick spray. Blend, not blend, buff. Can we just appreciate? And then I'm gonna use Nars Concealer. This one is in Praline, Praline, medium 3. And then whilst your face is still kind of a bit wet from the face and body, I've just tapped the beauty blender in there, and then kind of just going over where I would have, because the face and body is very sheer, and then also when you apply it with beauty blender, I do feel like it comes off quite a bit. But yeah, I'm basically going over any areas where I feel are like a little bit redder, or I've got like that little scar here from obviously when I hit my spot. So yeah, that's basically what I do there. I just feel like this concealer with the foundation is just like a really gorgeous blend. Okay, and now I'm gonna conceal Estee Lauder. This one's actually amazing. I'm not a huge fan of their double wear whatever, but this concealer is it. So here, 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 here. So that's basically where I place it. And then I'm going to spray again, and then use a little mini beauty blender, dab away like so. Now we're gonna bring Stephanie to life a little bit. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Truffle Stick. So I'm gonna go here, 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 and the same again, basically. I mean, there's no real whatever. And then I go here, kind of, so it lifts everything, and then under my nose. And then I don't kind of go all the way across the jaw, because I then will kind of drag it out, so you don't actually need too much product, essentially. Is that theory. And then just this. Oh, and she's got some life back in her. And then just buff it out. Got a shortage of hairbands at the moment, which is why I haven't got my hair tied back. Yeah, I feel like that already kind of gives that really lovely glow when you add this to the skincare primer. I also saw someone the other day put blusher here on their neck. Again, TikTok. So I'm gonna try that today. That's not part of my routine. That's something I'm literally gonna try with you guys for the first time. Maybe not. Is that weird? But then I guess like, you seem like a bit of a beauty guru. If you know who it is, let me know, because I'm terrible and I forget these things. Also, discuss with me. The last time I did a makeup tutorial and I spoke about that woman who, that was it when I was doing the Q&A, and I was talking about like, I've not had any work done, not had any Botox, filler, whatever. And I was like, and you know, this woman who is 50 hasn't had any and she looks great. Turns out, 27, isn't she? She's 27. Betrayal, I felt. Obviously then I'm like, well yeah, because she bloody looks about 27, so it makes sense. I'm also 30 in March, which is exciting. Right, so blended that out, and then I might kind of just then go back over with the beauty blender again, like on the nose, under the eye bit. That's looking cute. Normally as well, but my lips obviously, I'll go under my lips and then over the top with like the contour stick, so it kind of creates that shadow / lip liner. Those bad boys, I can still feel them a little bit. Don't come to me if you buy this lip product and tell me it stings. I'm warning you, everyone's pain threshold is different. I feel like mine's quite high and it's fine for me, but yeah, it definitely does sting a little bit. Anyway, I'm gonna move on to the blush. So one of my lovely friends, we were talking about blush the other day, she was like, you never wear pink. Well, you've worn it sometimes. And then I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna try and own the pink. So she inspired me, and then I started wearing pink blush and I was like, do you know what? I actually think this is quite a vibe. So I use 2 blushes. I use one which is cream and then one which is a powder. Refy one, absolutely adore the Refy blushes, they're lovely. This one is rose. So yeah, just put your finger in it like that. Quite alarming, you know I'm not a pink girl. I'm gonna go high on the cheek. I'm liking the pink. And then I put it just like on the bridge of my nose here. I think it's making me feel like spring, summer vibe. Then I'm just gonna dab that in with my finger, my hand even. Do you not need a better mirror? Look how messy that is. I can't even barely see myself. I'm gonna use this one, this is nice and clean. But yeah, so then that is quite pinky, and again, it's got quite a nice kind of like sheen to it. And then I would kind of probably go on the lips, but I'll do that properly at the end and stuff anyway. And then I will go onto my eyes. So I'm gonna use the Mercier Bronzer. This is 0.4. I feel like this one's always sold out because this color is stunning. This one or the MAC Face and, not Face and Body, the MAC Give Me Sun are really lovely. Really recommend. The Give Me Sun's actually probably more like, it's more orangey actually. This is definitely a deeper color. So yeah, I literally just kind of go over the arch of my eye, lift it up there, and then I'll kind of use that excess to give a little bit of contour for the nose. So I don't feel like this is a very chatty one, but you guys probably don't want to chat with me, you just want to see my face transform. Bloody needs it today. That's what I do. I basically use the same brush and then I just like push it down like that to make it into a fan. And then yeah, that basically gives the under eye bit. I do love under the eye thing. And then yeah, again, going under the lips like so to get that kind of like contour vibe going on. And then I'd either just go straight in with mascara, but I am going to show you eyeliner because who doesn't love a bit of eyeliner? So I'm going to use the Benefit one in the brown. I definitely need to buy a new one of these because it is running dry, but that's the tip. So it's very easy, and then I just basically try and do the thinnest line, like right along the lash line. And then just before I get to the end of the eye, that's where I'm gonna try and go up. So can you see how I've done it there? So I kind of left it, so I've not come from the very corner, gone up, I've gone like a little bit shorter. How are you guys anyway? How's the start of your year going? I feel like this is gonna be a pivotal year, and I'm very apprehensive, excited about it all. Yeah, not even because I'm turning 30, I just feel like there's some things that are gonna happen this year, and I don't know, it's gonna be some things I don't know guaranteed that's gonna happen, but they are on my vision board to happen. And if it happens, I'm actually going to share with you guys my vision board. I think it's the first year I've done a vision board. I basically did it on Canva. Canva is so good for just kind of like mood boards, etc. Like when I had to do the Seffi or like We Glow, yeah, I basically do them all for the Seffi shoots, and just to have like a mood board so that the photographer and everyone can kind of get the vibe and stuff is amazing. And yeah, Canva is a really good one. Then I've done the little flick brown, so it's really subtle. I can't. And then I'm just gonna give myself a quick spritz because why would you not? It's so freaking good, this this stuff. And then, yeah, I've got this one. Do you feel like the superhero one, basically, I feel like the product really lifts the eyelashes. This one is a lot more of a subtle wisp. Like the It Cosmetics one is, I'd say, a little bit clumpier the more you layer, but then again, you can literally do 2 licks and it's not gonna be clumpy. I really like to layer it up. But yeah, this one is the Dior one. Yeah, look at that. Wispy, pretty. I feel like with the pink blusher and stuff, it's just like pretty vibes, isn't it? I'm also whispering because our cleaner's in. And I already think that she thinks I'm doing OnlyFans or something because I had the camera in the shower. Great, isn't it? Like, it just enables women in the buck. The money some people make on OnlyFans I think is like absurd. But yeah, no, I mean, the content I put out there on my Instagram, I feel like sometimes is, I'm like, oh, sorry mum, sorry dad. I do also think it's really great for girls who were in porn and want to get out of it and then now can do that, you know? And then I'm just gonna go in again with a bit more like that. So I've just gone in again with a little bit more of the cream blush. I finished my eyes. I'm also gonna show you this. So you know I love a good, again, that fresh, pretty look. I like freckles. I absolutely adore Freck. I use it, I feel like it's really good for like thicker freckles. So this one is called Freckle Face and I have used this actually and then gone to the gym and it's stayed. It like stains really, really well and then you basically, and it transfers really well as well. So for example, I just pop some there like that. Can you see? They just, yeah, you need a few little ones and they just transfer so nicely everywhere. And then I'll use the Freck for kind of to go over my freckles that I've basically kind of covered with. So there's on here, which I use the Freck for. And then I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is in colour Honey. And then just go obviously over, honestly, pause, goodbye. And then just go over any shiny areas or areas you wanna be setting. And then I'm gonna go here, under my nose, under my eyes. Yeah. So now I'm going to use the Laura Mercier pink on my cheeks. So doubling up on the blush on my nose. And then I kind of go a little bit here and a little bit here. And then flip it around where the translucent powder was again and just kind of go, yeah, like so. And then I'm going to move on to my lips again and then use a lip liner. This one is Peaches and Cream Praline Lip Liner. Okay, just up and over a little bit. Corners. And then we're gonna use the Refi and just go in the middle here and on my lips. Yes, and then I'm gonna go back in with the Laura Mercier and then just kind of buff in a little bit up here. Some bronzer. Oh, I haven't done my eyebrows. And then just go into the neck again to make sure we're matching. And then get the pink going there. Eyebrows. So, okay, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. So I'm just using the Laura Mercier see-through gel. So just kind of set them in place a little bit. I feel like this gel's really good. Nothing transfers, they stay in place. And yeah, basically just brushing them up away like so. And then that's my eyebrows done. And then also this one is Fenty Beauty. It's the eyebrow. So I'm just gonna kind of go up in the corner there and up in the corner there and just kind of give them a little shaping up here. I've got one eyebrow which is so long it's literally starting to curl. It's not good, is it? Now I'm gonna go and finish and just dry my hair a little bit. But this is the final little look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like this is a really fresh makeup look and it sits on your skin all day. I love it. It's definitely my updated makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know. Make a comment, subscribe and like to my channel. Let me know which products you've tried or anything you want me to try, or if you liked it, or if you think, Steph, this isn't good, this shouldn't be your go-to makeup. Do let me know. Thanks for spending a little time with me and I